Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see YouTube Shorts history. Ever watched a great YouTube Shorts video but forgot to save it? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to find your Shorts watch history in just a few steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to open your YouTube watch history. Now to do that, just open the YouTube app, or in case you're using your desktop, go to your browser and type in youtube.com and log into your YouTube account. Now as you can see in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the YouTube app, the Android or iOS way. So I'm just gonna open the YouTube app. After that, I'm gonna tap on my profile picture, and as you can see, here is the history section, like you see here. I'm gonna click on view all next to the history section right here, and here you'll see a list of all recently watched videos. Scroll down to find the short video, or use the search bar. You can use this search bar to type keywords. Third step is to filter history for shorts only. Now on the YouTube app, tap the three dots menu and manage all history. And you can also use the videos only or shorts filter to find shorts videos faster. Now if you deleted your history, you won't be able to recover past shorts, and YouTube's watched videos playlist does not store shorts, so always save important ones to watch later. And that's it. Now you can easily find your watched video YouTube shorts anytime. Make sure to save your favorites to avoid losing them. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.